Did you hear that snap? That's the sound of food-induced happiness. Hello, food lovers from around the world. Welcome to today's recipe, which will be super crunchy Italian breadsticks called grissini. Let's make them, shall we? We start with some water into the mixer bowl. Then the fed and active sourdough starter. Give it a mix and add olive oil, a little sugar, and the flour. Lastly, we add the salt. As usual, you can find all the measurements in the description box of the video, just below the title. Now we knead it until it comes together into a smooth ball. About 15 minutes. The dough will be stiffer than that of bread, so don't be tempted to add more water. When it's nice and pliable, we form it into a round ball. We spray some olive oil on a silicone mat or baking paper. Then we put the dough on it. Spray some oil on the dough too and cover with plastic wrap. Then allow to rest for 15 or 20 minutes. Now we uncover and roll the dough into a rectangle about half an inch thick. If you try to roll it right away, you will see that the dough will fight back. That's why it needs a resting period for the gluten to relax and chill. We need to be chill and patient when baking, right? When we're satisfied with our rectangle, we spray some more olive oil on top. Cover it again and allow it to proof at room temperature for 2 or 3 hours. Meanwhile, we prepare our toppings. These breadsticks are very versatile. You can leave them plain or top them with poppy seeds, sesame seeds, caraway seeds, salt, rosemary, or cheese, which I'll do today because we all love the cheesy ones and fight over them. I used rosemary Asiago cheese, but Parmesan will work very well too. Now the dough is puffy and soft, and that's the sign that we can proceed to the next step. Leaving it partially covered so it won't dry up, we cut it in 3 and then in finger-thick stripes. One by one, we roll them in our preferred toppings, elongating them until they are a little thinner than a pencil. The dough is nice and elastic and it will be quite easy to roll. The important thing is to make sure that they are the same thickness everywhere, otherwise they will not bake evenly. We arrange them closely together but not touching on a baking sheet. If you feel that I've earned it, then take a moment now to like, share, subscribe and leave me a comment below. These always help the channel grow and encourage me to make more of these videos. First one is complete, so we bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes or until golden brown. I have 2 pans and continue rolling and baking until I finish all of them. When they are done, we cool them on a wire rack. They will become crispier once completely cooled. They should snap when breaking or when biting into it. If they are still soft after baking, you can return them to the oven for a couple more minutes, but keep an eye on them so they won't burn. And that's it. You've made some amazing grissini that you can snack on for weeks to come. They last a long time on the counter and won't lose their crispiness. Now I'll let you go and make some. And I'll see you again in the next video recipe. Bye!